This device turns your Echo Dot 3rd Gen into a portable, take with you anywhere Alexa device and also speaker system. So you have your own little AI buddy with you wherever you go. Alexa, repeat after me. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Okay, well maybe it doesn't know how to do that. But guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let's check out this really cool device. Right, so let's go straight into the unboxing of the actual product here. So this is the PlusAcc battery base for the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation. This is the box it comes in. Pretty interesting. We've got a picture over here of what examples you can use it for, such as like if you're doing yoga, sports, if you're going out on a picnic, or if you're going to go camping, then this is the sort of thing that you want to use it for. The minute you open it up, we get introduced to the user manual. Pretty big user manual for something that I assume is quite self-explanatory, to be honest with you. Got some cardboard. Here we have the actual device, and that's pretty much it really from the unboxing. Not really much to it. So let's go ahead, let's tidy it up, and let's grab my Alexa. So here we have the PlusAcc battery base for the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation. And here we have an Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation. So pretty simple really. I mean, the product itself just slaps in here. We've got a power button over here, which if you press and hold it, will power on and tell us our charge. So we are 3 out of the 4, so 75% charge roughly. Underneath over here, we got the actual branding, the model number, the E01B. Input and output, so input and output 12 volts input, output 1.25 amps, output USB-C 5 volts 1 amp, rated capacity 10,000 milliamp hour at 37 watts per hour. And then we got the Shenzhen Ziyuan Tongtai Technology Company Limited, so I'm guessing that's the main company that's behind PlusAcc. And then we got the normal legal stamps and whatnot and serial number. Pretty cheap plastic, like glossy cheap plastic. There's nothing really amazing about it. All round, there's not any rubber grips. I mean, there's a little bit of like gripping on the sides over here, but generally it's just cheap plastic. Even the wire feels a little bit cheap. Like there's nothing special about the wire. It's just a single power lead really. It's just a DC in, which goes straight into the back of your Alexa. So obviously my Alexa right now has no power at all, because it's not got the plug-in, so that's how Alexas work. Obviously, if you have one, you would know that you can't use these portably, and that's the whole point of this device. This device here will turn your Alexa into a portable device. So if you go ahead and just slot it in, here we have our DC input if you need to charge this up, and we charge it up with the plug that comes with the Alexa, and then we got our DC output. So you basically have this plugged in normally with your Alexa, have your Alexa on your normal stand, and then when you want to take it out and take it portable, you literally just pull out the Alexa plug and take this with you, and this is now portable. So if you press it and hold it to turn it on, that should then power our Alexa. There we go. Simple as that really. I mean, there's not really too much to this product. It does straight up what it says out of the box. I mean, personally, I don't know what I would really use it for. I don't really go outdoors much or do picnics or go on any sports events. I'm quite lazy, to be honest with you. I don't do much. But if you're someone that loves working out outdoors, you know, goes to football or sports events, you know, goes camping, or I don't know, maybe even parties, like, you know, I guess this is the device for you, really. I mean, I guess you would use a portable Alexa. I guess that's something you'd want to use. Me personally, just because it's not something I'd use a lot, I'd probably just pull out my phone and ask Google or ask Siri or ask Alexa on my phone, because you can always just download the app on your phone and you get the same sort of questions and answers, and it just fits into my pocket, and I have my phone with me all the time. But I guess with my phone, if you want to listen to music, or you want, like, you're in a loud place or you got a crowd of people, not everyone can get engaged with my phone, because the speaker's not going to be that loud, and it's only for me, unless you connect to a wireless speaker. So I guess that's where the Alexa can sort of come in use. But I mean, this is this is really it. Really, it's just going to work as a normal Alexa. And the battery life is, to be fair, it's quite good. It lasts a few hours. So, yeah, I think it's a great product. I mean, if it's something that you're going to use for camping or sports or outdoor activities, 100%, it's quite a cool product. And you get your loudspeaker through your actual Alexa Echo Dot. Other than that, yeah, does what it says out of the box. So I can't really fault it. So I'm going to have to give it a 7 out of 10 because it does what it says out of the box. But would I personally use it? No, not really. And the build quality of it, I mean, if you look at the build quality of the Alexa with the matte plastic, you can sort of tell where this isn't like an original Amazon product. It just, the build quality just isn't up to par, but it does what it's supposed to do. It's quite strong. It doesn't look like it's going to break, to be honest with you. And it's not too heavy. It's obviously going to have a bit of weight because it is a massive battery inside of here, but it's not too bad. It's actually okay. So we can ask, obviously, Alexa questions. So I don't know if it listens to my voice properly, this Alexa. Alexa, what's the weather like today?
Currently, in East Wickham it's 4 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies.
There you go.
Tonight, you
Okay,
can expect
Alexa.
cloudy skies.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop talking. Stop talking. Be quiet. You get the gist of it. And you can play music. You can connect to it with Bluetooth. It does everything that Alexa does. But you can make it portable with this. So it's pretty cool. So if you're interested in purchasing it, link to buy will be down in the description. As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.